My little pony, my little pony. My little pony. Jeg vidste ikke, hvad venskaber kunne blive. My little pony. Ikke før I delte jeres magi. Eventyrene eller leg. Et hjert så smukt, som viser vej. Alle er søde. Det er flot, og med magi, der gør det godt. My little pony. I er hver og en rigtig god ven.
My Little Pony. Venskab er ren magi.
Welcome to Watch Mojo, and today we'll be jerking off a horse.
He is a guy from Ballard Street. He is looking for some kids to meet. He thinks because his grandpa's German, he can't act like a Nazi. It's me, Kanye West, and our ghost to P. Open wide, Caleb.
To watch Mojo, and today we'll be jerking off a horse.
Hello! It's me! Have you ever wanted movies free? Download movies free at If you don't want to download Freeze Movie, then die.
Hey, who likes Fortnite? We like Fortnite! 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 We like
A response has been made. This ain't funny anymore. It's boring. It's stupid. Move on with your life. I'm sure you have more things to do than troll with me. Said at 9:13 a.m. 2 minutes later at 9:15 a.m. I don't understand what you think you're gonna get out of trolling me. It's just ridiculous, and one of the reasons I never wanted social media. Let the past go. I figure it is you, Arva, but come on. You should mature by now. At the end of that message, a reply was made to one of my tweets, and it reads, why do you hold a grudge after all of these years? Like, damn, bro, it ain't that serious. I'm just trying to basic social media, but like, it seems I keep getting trolled for what for. What will you get? Army, what will you get out of it, man? Like, is it fun to you? No. After sending this, without giving me a chance to respond, I was blocked immediately on the platform. No. But if you know, yes, it is fun to me, Caleb.
Welcome to Watch Mojo, and today we'll be jerking off a horse.